Welcome to AMSE's Festival of Photons Holiday Ornament Workshop. Hi, I'm Corky Witt, an educator at AMSE, and we've put together 2 STEM-related ornament kits that you can assemble at home. Go online and click shop at amse.org and get yours today. For this year's ornament kit, you have a choice of selecting 2 different ornaments, a STEM-based Christmas tree or a reindeer to electrify. Your kit might include a snowflake, a Van de Graaff generator model, a 3D printed atom model, and the AMSE lanyard, a 3D printed Christmas tree, a popsicle stick snowman ornament. And then the last one is very popular for Oak Ridgers. It's the acorn and the oak leaf. This 4-ornament keepsake kit only costs $5. Not all kits are the same. Go online and click shop at amse.org and get yours today.